Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to create a guest Wi-Fi network for your Xfinity internet using just your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Xfinity app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on Wi-Fi. This is where you see your home Wi-Fi name, devices, and all your network controls. Next, scroll down until you see something like Advanced Settings or Wi-Fi Networks. Tap on it. This is where Xfinity keeps options for extra networks including guest Wi-Fi. Now look for Add Wi-Fi Network, Guest Network or Create New Network. Tap on it. You will now be able to create your guest Wi-Fi name. Type in a password that's simple for guest but still secure. Then tap Save or Apply changes. Your Xfinity gateway will update it, which usually takes a few seconds. Once it's done, your guest network will appear as a separate Wi-Fi name. Now you can share the guest password with friends or family without giving them your main Wi-Fi password. And that's it. We have just created a guest Wi-Fi network on Xfinity using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.